What happens when Lamborghini mixes 1001 horsepower, a screaming V12, and hybrid tech? You get the Revuelto, the Italian raging bull that just went electric. Kind of. Today, we're diving deep into Lamborghini's wildest creation yet. Alright, buckle up, because today we're talking about the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. This isn't just a new Lamborghini, it's Lamborghini's first series production hybrid supercar. And no, before you panic, they didn't replace the screaming V12 with the sewing machine engine. The naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 is still here, still revving to the heavens. It just brought a couple of electric friends along for the ride. Under the hood, well, technically behind the seats, sits the glorious V12 producing 814 horsepower all by itself. Add in the 3 electric motors, and you've got a mind-melting 1001 total horsepower. That's enough to launch you from 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, and if you keep your foot down, you'll hit 217 miles per hour. That's go-to-jail speed in pretty much every country. Now let's talk looks, because let's be honest, nobody buys a Lamborghini to blend in. The Revuelto is a rolling piece of aggressive Italian art. The Y-shaped LED headlights look like they're ready to laser through traffic. The razor-sharp lines make it look fast even when parked. And the massive rear diffuser. Let's just say it could double as an air conditioning system for the guy behind you. Step inside and you'll find the cockpit straight out of a sci-fi movie. There's a 12.3-inch digital driver display, an 8.4-inch vertical center screen, and a passenger screen. Yes, Lamborghini actually gave your passenger their own display so they can see how terrified they should be. Everything is wrapped in leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber. If you ever get bored driving, you can just sit there and admire the craftsmanship. And because it's a hybrid, you can actually drive the Revuelto in full electric mode for about 6 miles, perfect for sneaking out of your neighborhood without waking up the entire block, before switching back to V12 mode and waking up the entire city. Of course, all this power and beauty comes with a price, around $600,000, before you even start adding options. But hey, who needs a house when you can have a V12 hybrid spaceship? So, what do you think? Is the Lamborghini Revuelto the perfect mix of old-school raging bull and future tech? Or should Lamborghini have left the hybrid stuff to the Prius guys? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this ride, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next supercar deep dive.